What happens to beta cells during type 1 diabetes? Imagine your pancreas as a busy factory with tiny workers called beta cells that produce insulin, the hormone that helps your body use sugar for energy. In type 1 diabetes, these workers face a relentless attack from your own immune system. This autoimmune response targets the beta cells within the islets of Langerhans, which are small clusters of cells in the pancreas responsible for insulin production. The immune system mistakenly identifies beta cells as harmful and sends specialized cells, called T cells, to destroy them. Both helper T cells and killer T cells infiltrate the islets and cause damage through processes like apoptosis, which is a form of programmed cell death, and necrosis, which is uncontrolled cell injury. As these immune cells attack, they release chemicals called cytokines that further harm the beta cells and disrupt their ability to produce insulin properly. Beta cells are also under stress from their own high activity levels. Because they constantly work to produce insulin, they face a lot of internal pressure, which can make them more vulnerable to damage. This stress can cause changes inside the cells, like altered protein production and DNA modifications, making them less efficient and more likely to be targeted by the immune system. During the progression of type 1 diabetes, especially around the time of diagnosis, the destruction of beta cells speeds up. Many beta cells are lost quickly, leading to a sharp decline in insulin levels. This loss results in the classic symptoms of diabetes like high blood sugar, fatigue, and increased thirst. Despite efforts to control the autoimmune response with therapies, beta cell destruction often continues, and their function diminishes further. Scientists are working hard to find ways to protect these vital cells or even regenerate them. Understanding how beta cells die and what makes them vulnerable is key to developing treatments that could preserve or restore insulin production. This research is important not only for managing type 1 diabetes but also for understanding overall pancreas health, which is essential in conditions like pancreatic cancer, where the integrity of islet cells plays a crucial role. In summary, during type 1 diabetes, beta cells are gradually destroyed by the immune system, mainly through immune cell infiltration and inflammatory signals. The stress from their own activity and molecular changes inside the cells make them more susceptible to attack. This process results in less insulin being made, which is the root cause of the metabolic issues seen in the disease. Always remember, if you have concerns about diabetes or pancreatic health, consulting a healthcare professional is the best step to take for personalized advice and care.